Hi guys, in today's lesson we're going to learn about these important vocabulary words: money, markets, work, loan, interest, banks, supply, demand, and credit cards. People can earn money in different ways. People earn money by working or selling goods. Children can earn allowances. Many people save their money to buy bigger goods like a house or a car. A market is not always a store. Everyone who buys or sells goods is part of a market. A bank will let you borrow or loan money for a fee. This fee is called interest. That means you have to pay back the money you borrowed, plus more for using this service. When you borrow money, you have to sign important papers that promise you will pay back the money. A bank is a safe place to keep your money. Over time, you earn interest or money for using this service. People around the world depend on each other. The United States receives goods from other countries and sends goods to other countries as well. Credit cards let you buy something now and pay for it later. However, you will have to pay interest too. Remember, that means that you will have to pay back the money you borrowed, plus more. Prices of goods can depend on two things: how much of a good there is, or the supply, and how many people want or need that product, or the demand. When supply is low and the demand is high, the price can go up. When the supply is high and the demand is low, the price goes down. All right, guys, why don't you take some time to go ahead and review on your own? Match up the vocabulary words that we learned on the left to their definitions on the right. You can go back into the slides to review before you practice.